Welcome back to Doc's Hot Shop Forge, and I hope you've enjoyed your Christmas. So today we're going to finish forging out the axe. So need to blend in this area here a little bit and draw out the bit so we get a little more mass. We'll drive this corner here in that way a bit. So we'll be working over the horn for a fair bit of this. And along the way we're going to draw out the little scrap that we trimmed off and make a set of zipper pulls for my nephews, because Damascus steel is what they used in The Mandalorian as Beskar steel apparently, so it would be reportedly much appreciated. So let's get the forge lit and let's have some fun. Come apart! This one was a cross peen. I think that's thin enough. Alright, let's tidy things up a bit. refine the ears a bit and get it all straight and proper. And we'll do some grinding. Now we just have to refine the ears a little bit. Up a lot of this slaggy crap from the bottom of the forge. So that completes this little axe project. It's come up quite nicely. I've hung it on a nice spotted gum handle, probably a bit too long for the style axe, probably should be about yay long. That'll probably work quite nicely. But it's come up a treat. The welds are all nice and solid. And for my first piece of Damascus in 25 years, I think it's come up pretty well. There will be some better photos towards the end of the video. I don't know if you can quite see the patterning. The patterning is quite bold. and I quite like that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think leaving it at 50 to 100 layers would have suited this project. But there we are. So, if you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Feel free to share on social media. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. When you do, ring the notification bell. So get out to your shop, have fun, but above all, stay safe. And I'll catch you for the next one.